Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make your laptop feel like new again. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down reset this PC. Okay, click on this option. And by the way, before we continue, okay, make sure that you have backed up all of your important files, okay, to a pen drive or an external hard drive. Alright, so once all are backed up, you can go back to this page right here and just click on reset this PC. Alright, and here you'll have two options. If you want your laptop to feel like new again, go ahead and choose the option, remove everything. Okay, click on it, wait for the next page. Now in this section, you can either choose cloud download or local reinstall. So I'm going to explain this one to you. Local reinstall right here will just reset the current version or your current operating system version in your laptop. Okay, if you choose cloud download, it will download all available updates or new updates from Windows straight up to your laptop. Okay, just make sure when you click on this option, you are currently connected to an Ethernet. Okay, but don't worry, if you select a local reinstall right here, you can just easily update your laptop later. All right, so just click on local reinstall, click on next right here, follow the simple prompts, and after that, your laptop will feel new again. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.